Hey everybody, this is one of my favorite times of the year as plants start to come back to life in the spring. Here are a few things that are popping up around the yard. Last fall I added a bunch of shade plants here and the pink spikes have returned in the last few days. These plants do well in part shade and they produce long spikes that are covered in pink flowers. Super excited to see these in bloom later this year. I also planted a bunch of Echinacea in the spot where I ripped out all my grass in the backyard last fall. They're all coming back right now, which is really great to see. This area, as you can see, has a lot of dandelions as well. We let these grow in the spring because they're one of the first food sources for bees. So we let them go until the bees have other flowers to visit in the yard. We'll clean them out later, but for now, it's a bee feast. The Canna Lilies are also popping up. This is a new spot for these this year. They like full sun. I put them in a spot that didn't get full sun. They didn't do so well last year, so we've moved them and put them in a spot where they're going to get 7 to 8 hours of sun. And these are some of my favorite lilies. They are dark red, which is always nice to have a little bit of contrast from green everywhere. And the flowers are super cool. We also have this torch lily. Now this I put in the ground for the first time last year. It was in a pot prior to that. Last year I got 2 flowers from it, which was the first time we got any. So I'm hoping for a bunch of flowers this year. This is another one of my favorite flowers and plants that I have in the yard. Comment down below and tell me what's starting to pop up in your yard.